欢迎大家来到自在摇
Welcome
trình。
to the Farther, Faster, Freer 2024 CATL Super Hybrid Battery Brand new product launch. Let's give a warm round of applause to welcome Mr. Luo Jian, CMO of CATL. Hello, everybody. I'm Luo Jian from CATL. First of all, please allow me to all of you at today's live launch. And millions of people all over the world, friends, follow this launch event through the live video. Warm welcome and heartfelt thanks to you all. And it's our pleasure to be with you all, witness the re-evolution of the electric mobility experience. Thank you. As everybody see, the product we are launching today is hybrid. And people may wonder, why would CATL develop hybrid batteries? And why would CATL launch at this time? Before answering these questions, I'd like to share two numbers with you. The first is 53%. So this is the penetration rate of the China's new energy vehicles in September. And from July this year, this number has exceeded 50% for 3 consecutive months, which means EV have completely surpassed fuel vehicles, become the choice of most consumers. And in the mass market, no one ever wants to be in the minority, so we can predict in advance. The full electrification of the passenger cars in China, it will basically completed in the next 2 to 3 years. If so, China will perform a miracle. The second number is 43%. So this is the proportion of the total new energy added by the hybrid model in the last 3 months. The PHEV account for 32%. REEV models account for 11%. That means that for almost every 2 electric cars, one of them is a hybrid. The sales of the hybrid models rose 119.5% in September, so far more than any other car. This shows that the hybrid model is not only a transitional product. In addition to its unique role in driving electrification, has become a category in its own right. CATL, at the beginning of the hybrid models, is very serious about this field. In addition to our increasing investment in R&D over the years, constantly cooperate with OEM and partners, bring the new technologies and new products. The CATL has already begun to target the additive market for deeper research and insight. We don't think of the hybrid models as just a simple or passive substitute for the fuel vehicle. It's not a fake new energy about real fuel and fake electricity. The real hybrid models should become consumers' own active value choices. However, at this stage, the owners of the hybrid models still have many problems to solve. So let's take a closer look at the video first.
我是混动车主，现在用起来还挺好的。但是纯电续航的只能在市里跑，在室外的话，它没电很快，续航太短。但是用过电之后又不想用油了，因为用油太贵了。
我是那个油电混的，冬天的时候，这个咱们电车这个续航里程基本上是要打对折了嘛，尤其是像北方。
自己就在开混动车。 我觉得它比较便宜，经济实惠，因为我每天开的比较多，路程比较长。但是纯电的话，因为它只能15升公里，所以我经常都要充电。
我开的就是混动车，这个车辆续航还可以，但就是充电有点慢。为啥说呢？它相对于那些个纯电的大电池的车来说呢，它其实充电时间是差不太多的。
我这辆混动车就是电池有点小，跑高速没电了，多少条7、8个，这跟路车也差不多。
我希望它纯电续航能久一点，因为当时买它就是因为被这个平时能用电，关键时候用油所吸引。
电池，比如说技术再进步一些，然后冬天可能续航掉的没那么厉害。
纯电续航时间能够变得更长的话，可能以后大家选择混电车的这个机会会变得更大。
所以我就希望它以后呢，充电时间能更快一点。
如果它的纯电续航能达到300到400公里，我的下辆车还会选择混动车的。
续航更长，纯电的续航更长，而且呢，我希望是能够实际去标示这个续航的里程。
According to the video, the short electric range, charge slowly, low temperature performance attenuation, still plaguing many owners. So this is the battle for the user's experience. So what is our real requirements? We hope that the solutions we can provide can not only just solve all the problems to fulfill our consumers' expectation, but better just define the direction of our industry. So actually, from the surface to the essence, from the past to the future, solve all of these questions systematically. So this is our responsibility. Therefore, today, the CATL want to hand in the answer sheet to you all, and we will officially launch dedicated battery brand for the hybrid models, Freevoy. So detailed solutions or the technologies will be introduced by our CTO Gao Huan later. But before that, I just want to talk firstly. So we hope that use the Freevoy, the 3 different concepts we want to convey to you. So the first, we've noticed that many users who choose the hybrid share a common outlook on life. They are not satisfied with just one option. And for example, in their real lives, they want it all. The more the versatility and the greater satisfaction. So through the Freevoy, we aim to meet the diverse needs of those seeking a balance in various life scenarios. Second, so each of the users of the hybrid models are often filled with various plans in their daily work and life. Deep down, everyone is eager to embrace change, discovering the joy and surprises along the way through these changes. So we sincerely hope that the Freevoy not only a reliable tool for all the customers, but also a trustworthy friend which can fulfill our people's desire to take control of their lives. Third, we call our brand Freevoy because it embodies a pursuit, an attitude. And most importantly, the CATL want to show the capability fundamentally. So we hope that with the Freevoy support, everyone can truly experience a carefree and liberally way of life. As the saying goes, with Freevoy, life is carefree. Thank you all. So thank you, Mr. Luo. Thank you for your insightful speech. Next, let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Gao Huan, CTO of CATL's China e-car business, to deliver the speech. Hello, everyone. I'm Gao Huan. So just now, Mr. Luo officially launched the Freevoy for us. And I would like to talk about, as a researcher with CATL, how can we innovate the products to create more value for our users? In the current new energy vehicle market, the needs of our users are increasingly diversified. They require a long-range battery, but also expect a good driving experience and convenience of charging. CATL is committed to meeting and exceeding these needs, continues to lead the high standard and high quality development. And we have successfully launched the CATL battery with 1,000-kilometer ultra-long range. And first, the lithium-ion, the phosphate battery supports 4C overcharge Shenxing battery. So these are accurate response to the needs of the diverse users. At the CATL, I've been honored to participate in and witness many iterations of the power battery technologies. At the same time, every time of our products bring the consumers more convenient driving experience, it makes me extremely proud. Today, I'm proud to announce that CATL has made another brand new breakthrough in power battery technology. Freevoy is the world's first super hybrid battery achieved over 400-kilometer ultra-long range and combines 4C supercharging capability. In charging speed, battery range, the loss power, and low temperature performance, it all demonstrate excellent performance and undoubted hexagonal warrior. So please look at big screen. So we can see that CATL Freevoy Super Hybrid Battery achieves milestone breakthrough in performance, which stems from our high standards of the product development to exceed the user's expectations. But what are the high standards stand for? High performance, high reliability, high safety, and high value. I will elaborate in detail below. The first one, high performance. Over 400-kilometer ultra-long range, totally different from the traditional PHEV and REEV. Get rid of noise of the frequent charging, enjoying the daily experience of the electric vehicles. Charge one time, commute 1 week. So the achievements of the ultra-long electric range comes from the in-depth optimization of the battery efficiency, and rather than just a simple power boost. For starters, we adopt advanced surface modification technology for the positive materials, combined with the innovative high-pressure, the electrolyte formulation to form a nanoscale protective layer on the surface of the material, effectively reducing the Z reaction of the active layer and further expanding the boundary of the power usage. Secondly, by bringing the high-active excited stage particles into the positive material, a specialized high-speed channel has been created for the lithium-ion, greatly improved the transmission efficiency, even when the vehicle is insufficient in voltage, can still maintain the abundant electric power. By modeling the polarization characteristics of charge or discharge, we can accurately predict the battery's discharging power ability, formulate a multi-level power control strategy based on the prediction, and improve the power performance by 20%. Finally, based on over the 10 million of the vehicle's usage scenarios and the multi-dimensional modeling of the battery characteristics, construct SoC, the 4C in the high precision model. SoC control accuracy improved by 40% of material innovation combined with the BMS intelligent algorithm optimization, and actually further reduce SoC, the threshold intervened by the range extender for the fuel engine. The electric motor power utilization increased by more than 10%. With mass production of Qilin and Shenxing battery, the supercharging technology has been further popularized for application. So we replicate 4C supercharging on Freevoy. So under the 400-kilometer ultra-long range can achieve charge 10 minutes, recharge over 280 kilometers. So the outstanding performance of our battery. The charging speed have exceeded most of the over 600-kilometer ultra-long-range electric models, fully meet our users' needs for weekend, the suburban or the cross-city trips. So make the REEV and PHEV model users can enjoy the ultimate charging experience, same as electric ones. Charge once, literally 7 days. So at today's launch event, we would offer more surprises. The CATL, the sodium-ion battery technology, has been applied in CATL Freevoy super hybrid battery, achieving the breakthrough of the discharging extreme 40 degrees Celsius cold environment. Meanwhile, guarantee discharging at minus 30 degrees Celsius condition and provide a strong power output at minus 20 degrees Celsius condition, in short experience in the cold environment, same as normal. So this is not only a technological leap, but also a challenge to the boundaries of the science. So just as I mentioned, so what about minus 40 degrees Celsius? So would you guess average temperature of the Arctic region in winter? The answer is minus 31.86 degrees Celsius. So even in such an extremely cold environment, Freevoy still can remain capable charging and discharging, demonstrating a strong adaptability to extreme environment. Truly fulfills the promise of no fear, low temperature while driving extensively, chase also the aurora with the Freevoy's accompany. So behind this fulfillment of the promise is CATL's continuous research on sodium-ion battery technology, is also the relentless pursuit of exploring in technological wilderness. So actually, we made several technological innovations. First, based on the AB battery system integration technology originated by CATL, assembled the sodium battery and lithium battery in the same pack. Arrange the sodium batteries are arranged in a low-temperature area, break the system's low-temperature bottleneck. Improve the battery's low-temperature range by 5%. The mix of the lithium and sodium makes up the shortage of the low energy density of the sodium-ion battery at this stage. Take advantages of the good low-temperature performance. Form a scheme of 1 + 1 bigger than 2. Secondly, combined with the properties of the sodium-ion batteries, we use an accurate SOC monitoring scale in the AB system to assist in calibrating charge of the lithium-ion battery, an approach that has helped the system's overall control accuracy increase by 30%, and electric range increase additionally by more than 10 kilometers. Finally, in terms of the battery management system, which is the BMS software strategy, for the differences in the low temperature performance of the lithium-sodium batteries, CATL has developed accurate electricity calculation BMS technology for the whole temperature range and in all weather scenarios. It has achieved targeted the management of a different chemical system, effectively solving the problems under the harsh environments of the high, low temperature, such as distortion electricity measurement or degradation of power performance. Part 2, high reliability. The high performance of the CATL Freevoy super hybrid battery is only possible with the high reliability of the battery cells. As the heart of a car, the highly reliable batteries can provide users with long-lasting and reliable power output. To ensure the high reliability, we place stringent requirements on the consistency of the batteries. Only when the performance parameters of each battery cell in the pack are highly consistent and the charging, the discharging processes are balanced, can the optimal battery performance be achieved. So the fulfillment of these requirements cannot be achieved without our ultimate green manufacturing process and the carbon zero factory. Our production line is equipped with over 300 image detectors and AI monitoring system, over 6,800 quality control points, accumulated the most extensive database in the lithium battery industry, consisting of a big data of nearly 1 trillion pieces of information related to the battery cells. So it ensures that even the smallest defects are no longer visible, and guarantees the high consistency of the batteries. In terms of the sauce manufacturing process, we have adopted industry-leading the cyclone pumping system, which is capable of evenly dispersing the grade particles to form a stable slurry with suspended particles. In terms of the critical coating process, we have independently researched and developed a unique micrometer intelligent extrusion coating system in the industry, and real-time online surface density detection and closed-loop feedback indicate that it has achieved millisecond response speed and micron-level control accuracy. At the micron-level thickness of the copper and aluminum foil running at a speed of 120 meters per minute, the slurry coating is uniformly applied, with fluctuation in thickness controlled to plus or minus 1%. That is 1/20th of the hair, so which is just 1 micron. The pole piece is the gene of the battery. So only with the excellent genes of such the brilliant consistency can we ensure the performance of the product and provide users with a better and a more reliable experience of the whole vehicle. So far, CATL has equipped more than 15 million new energy vehicles with power battery services, and through the continuous innovation and optimization, our batteries have become more and more reliable, allowing users to travel forward without anxiety and enjoy free voyage. Part 3, high safety. CATL has always regarded safety as lifeline of sustainable development of our company. We have built a multi-level safety system covering all the aspects of the battery development and design, manufacturing, and testing. During the battery development and design, in addition to the upgrading the material system, we also upgrade our product structure from the MP 1.0 to the MP 2.0, and pioneering active isolation technology of smoke and high-pressure system further enhances the safety experience of users in extreme scenarios. During the battery manufacturing, relying on the ultimate manufacturing capability of our lighthouse factory, we have successfully managed to reduce the the defect rate to the level of 1 part of the per billion, which is ppb level. And in terms of the battery testing, from materials and cells, modules, BMS to battery packs across the multi-levels, the multi-dimensions, and the multi-scenarios, we have conducted more than 400 tests and verification to ensure the safety of our product. So to present a better visual perception of our hardcore safety of the CATL Freevoy Super Hybrid battery, we also subjected it into a variety of the extreme tests. Please take a look at the big screen. So just now, we have just witnessed how the CATL Freevoy Super Hybrid battery has passed gunshot test and extreme cold test. With our batteries, which are fearless of any challenge, your voyage is free in the whole world. Part 4, high value. At CATL, long lifespan is only a standard feature of a battery. And to be outstanding, it needs to be a good moneymaker. The CATL Freevoy Super Hybrid battery's outstanding energy density, charging and discharging speed, and cycle life enables it to be an economic benefit generator. By connecting to the power grid through the B2G technology, the battery is transformed into a large and mobile power bank, achieving a bidirectional energy interaction between the battery and the grid. So on one hand, the battery is involved in the power regulation of the grid, contributing to its stable operation. On the other hand, this technology generates additional value for our users, so who charging the valley purchase and discharging in the peak chase, earning the difference in electricity prices between the peaks and the valleys. So let's do some simple math. Assuming there is a CATL Freevoy Super Hybrid battery user who charges during the valley phase on weekday evenings and discharge through the bi-directional charging station at a company's parking lot during the daytime to respond to the peak discharging demand of the office building. And during the full life cycle of the battery, the user can transmit about 33,000 kWh of the electricity to the grid. So let's continue the calculation based on the difference of the RMB, the 0.89 kWh for the peak and the valley electricity pieces in the Pearl River Delta region. The revenue is over the 20,000 RMB. So this is a very handsome return. Therefore, our Freevoy is not only a battery, but also a high-value product that can generate financial income for car owners. Literally increase your wealth anytime, anywhere. A truly good product should be more than just a spark of innovation in the lab, but should prove its value in the daily application of users. Freevoy battery has landed successfully in the various brands, including the Li Auto, Avita, Deepal, the Navu, Neta. Look to the future, nearly the 30 REEV and the PHEV models, including the Sakagili, the Cherry GAC, and Yoya will equipped with CATL Freevoy Super Hybrid battery. In the pursuit of the ultimate performance, Freevoy is committed to revolutioning the pure electric travel experience for the REEV and PHEV users, providing them with an electric vehicle's driving experience, as well as the sense of realm that will come with REEV and PHEV. We look forward to seeing that CATL Freevoy Super Hybrid battery lead the market of the REEV and the PHEV into the era of the high standard. Thank you.
今天动力电池行业的领军企业宁德时代发布了逍遥超级增混电池品牌钠离子电池技术的正式应用，使得这款电池实现了零下40度极寒环境可放电的突破。作为宁德时代的战略合作伙伴，国创中心将与宁德时代在动力电池等领域进行全面的对接和深入务实的合作，为动力电池行业的未来增添新动能。
我国新能源汽车产业呈现多元技术路线发展的格局，与此相适应的，我国电池产业也正在向专业化、细分化方向发展。宁德时代推出的超级增混电池，对混合动力汽车发展是一个重大的推动。
目前插电式混合动力车型的纯电续航里程在200公里以内，充电速度比较慢。宁德时代本次发布的逍遥电池，通过材料和管理策略的创新，采用大电池包加小增程器的构型，可使插电式混合动力车型的纯电续航里程 超过400公里，同时具有4C 的超充能力，可极大的提升用户的纯电驾驶体验。
宁德时代逍遥超级增混电池的面世，将推动混合动力汽车跨入纯电长续航时代。奇瑞汽车与宁德时代深度合作，将在多款车型上搭载逍遥超级增混电池，以技术为根，以用户为本，为全球用户提供更佳的驾乘体验和环保出行方式，持续为用户带来更良好的价值体验。
增程式混合动力技术是适合中国市场和用户需求的技术路线。今天，宁德时代发布了专为混动车型设计的超级增混电池，不仅可以让混动用户享受纯电车的驾驶体验感，也极大缓解了用户的续航焦虑。宁德时代发布的超级增混电池具备4C 快充能力，能实现快速补能。目前，理想汽车已有4款车型搭载了逍遥电池相关技术。理想汽车将与宁德时代肩并肩，共同探索增混汽车的无限可能，创造实实在在的用户价值。
宁德时代每一次新动力电池技术的推出，都在驱动行业标准的进化，也是对绿色出行愿景的坚定践行。宁德时代本次发布的全新增混电池品牌，具有超强的动力性能，可实现4秒级0百加速。长安汽车将与宁德时代通力合作，助力中国新能源汽车事业蓬勃发展，携手用户向美好跃迁。
混合动力汽车是传统燃油车向纯电动汽车过渡的重要桥梁。宁德时代新发布的增混电池，让混动车主也能享受超充技术带来的便捷补能体验。
混动汽车现在已经受到了非常多消费者的喜欢，但是电池容量大小以及充电效率等方面仍存在优化空间。宁德时代这次发布的超级增混电池，很好地解决了这2大痛点。自己也将在明年上市的2款增程车型上搭载这款先进的电池。那么未来呢，自己汽车将继续与宁德时代加强合作，以技术为引领，以用户为中心，成为智能时代出行变革的实现者。
热烈祝贺我们的股东宁德时代逍遥电池成功发布。宁德时代的持续创新，为整个行业的发展提供了源源不断的动力。曾董事长曾说过，阿维塔是我们自己的品牌，就要用最好的、最先进的技术。11月2日，我们即将上市的阿维塔12将搭载领先一代的昆仑增程和逍遥电池，实现45升小油箱的情况下，从南京到北京，从西安到北京，全程不加油、不充电，行程超千里。感谢宁德时代给我们提供的高标准、高性能、高可靠的电池技术。昆仑增程和逍遥电池完美结合，为用户带来更加卓越的出行体验。未来，我们将继续和宁德时代加强合作，携手并肩，用持续领先的动力推动中国汽车产业更臻一层。
新能源汽车市场正在快速发展，消费者对于续航能力和整车的性能要求越来越高。深南汽车与宁德时代的深入合作，为我们实现智能、环保、安全出行的愿景提供了强有力的支撑。宁德时代此次发布的超级增混电池，以其卓越的动力性能和超长的纯电续航，为混合动力汽车市场树立了新的标杆。未来，我们将与宁德时代以及更多伙伴并肩前行，为用户创造更加美好的出行体验。
宁德时代此次推出的超级增混电池将带来电池技术的又一次划时代革新。作为宁德时代重要的合作伙伴，蓝图汽车将继续与宁德时代深化合作，联合创新，共同推动新能源汽车行业向智能化、高效化的未来迈进，赋能更多新能源汽车用户的美好出行生活。祝贺宁德时代增混电池技术取得创新突破，并预祝宁德时代本次新品发布会，
预祝宁德时代
宁德时代
本次新品发布会
取得圆满成功，
圆满成功，
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 圆满成功。
2024宁德
It's time to wrap up the 2024 CATL Super Hybrid Battery Brand and new product launch. Next, we invite you to move to the exhibition hall to explore the new products up close.